Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. We are on the site of an epic rebuild. We're here on the southeast side of Detroit, and we're rebuilding a historic porch. This porch was built in the 1930s. It's very unique, and we're one of the only contractors in the area that can successfully pull this off. When you guys check this out, we actually had to rebuild the basement walls in order to support this because there's a cellar underneath. Most of these porches leak over time because of shifting and cracking. The walls were actually buckled in, so we had to come out here, demo the porch, then we had to excavate all the way around the entire footing, remove the basement walls, refix the footings on the bottom, then rebuild the basement walls, fully waterproof the exterior of the walls so the water doesn't leak back in, and then rebuild the porch. It's about a 7 to 10 day working day project when it comes to something like this, but come over here and check it out. This thing is amazing and beautiful. So you come over here, you'll see the actual project itself. About 5 to 7 working days of where we're at right now. But I want to show you down inside here what it looks like. So right now they're putting the frames up for the actual concrete cap. Inside here, we're going to run steel across the back bar, and then we put galvanized sheeting across. So right behind you, it's the sheeting that's going to hold the weight of the cap up as we run supports through. Then we're going to put rubber EPDM 60 mil all the way across and tuck it back up to this wall. So this thing will be virtually impossible to leak. Then we'll pour a cap that's properly pitched away, and these customers are never going to have a problem over the next 50 years with this basement, with this porch. I want you to pay attention. We actually had to use 6 different types of brick when we were installing this to match the brick on the home. And the whole point of a restoration project is when we're done, the customer is going to look back and say, oh my gosh, it looked exactly like it was supposed to when they originally built it. And we're bringing life back into this project, into this community, and in this neighborhood. And it fills our hearts of joy when we can actually successfully deliver a product that's going to be functional, cost-effective, and original in character to the home. Here's the steel decking that we place across. We place this steel decking across there, and this is what suspends the weight as the concrete goes to cure. After the concrete cures with the rebar in it, it'll sustain itself, but this is the decking that's going to hold everything in place. The concrete cap's going to be a smooth white finish. You guys will see after pictures of what this actually looks like. We'll seal it with a siloxane-based sealer, and this porch is going to look like $1 million. We're also doing concrete steps. We built the wing walls over here. We built these wing walls over here because this is the original design. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the steps back in here, cap these with limestone, and make this thing a beautiful finished product. Part of the project is also replacing some of the driveway slabs after we finish the porch cap and make this house as beautiful as it was the day it was built. If you have a project like this, you got a leaky basement, cracked brick, or some cracked concrete, give us a call today at 877-MASONRY or go to our website at brickworksmi.com.
Nobody does it better than Brickworks.